Hello everybody, here we are again with a few more of our plants from our plant sale, this fall plant sale. The first plant I have here, it's not in flower right now, but this is actually a long season blooming speedwell or Veronica. This is Veronica spicata, and this is a cultivar called Snow Candle. So this is a nice white flowered Veronica. It gets up to, I believe, about a foot tall, 6 to 12 inches tall when it's in flower. This is one that if you keep it deadheaded, it can actually have flowers for most of the summer here in the southeast. Right now it's gone vegetative, which this is what you have through the winter months into the spring. Beautiful plants that we have here. Actually a good cut flower whenever they're in blossom. They get about yay tall, like I said, and nice candles of white, clear white blossoms. Easy to use in the landscape. Second plant we have here is actually a Caryopteris. So this is Caryopteris clantonensis goldcrest. It's a gold-leafed bluebeard is the common name for these, or blue spirea. So the flowers are in the late season, but early in the season, the foliage is a bright yellow green on it. So it gives you interest the whole season, even before you get the blossoms in the fall, which are similar to this one right here. This is one of the parent species of the clantonensis. This is actually an Ancana form right here. This gets 2 to 3 feet tall and just as wide. Great easygoing small subshrub for the garden. Just trim it back in the late winter, early spring, and then it does its thing the rest of the season. The final plant I have here is actually perennial plant of the year for this year of 2020. This is Aurelia cordata Sun King. This is a good pollinator plant. In the fall, when it flowers, you get white flowers that are in balls on a compound inflorescence. Gets about 3 feet tall by 3 feet tall. This is one that you may also, everyone may find pleasing to find out that it actually likes part shade to shade in our climate. So this is one you can squeeze into that spot that doesn't necessarily get the full sun that you need for everything else, and you get great color. The foliage on this, the whole season, is bright yellow green on it. So full season of interest on this. It is not a shrub like some of the other Aurelias, like the Japanese Aurelia you may have in your garden, which is actually a Fatsia. This is actually an herbaceous perennial, so it dies back to the ground, get a nice 3 foot tall plant throughout the season. In the late summer, early fall, you get flowers which the bees will adore. Just another cool plant for your yard. So there you go, 3 other options for that you can get through our plant sale this year.